Hey everybody, it's Bruce from Nature Calls out here doing a backpacking trip. Got the fire going, got the hammock hung, and we are going to do the infamous Ramen Bomb. I'm also trying out this bear bowl. It's a really cool foldable pot, 32 ounces, on my Snow Peak Gigapower. But the Ramen Bomb has three basic items. Top ramen, powdered mashed potatoes, and some kind of meat. And the original traditional was Spam. You can really go have a lot of fun. You can get all kinds of flavors of top ramen, of course, and all kinds of flavor of mashed potatoes, and you can do all kinds of meat too. And you can do things like get a Thai top ramen and some chicken and some spicy potatoes and add some peanut butter, but you make the Ramen Bomb, and it's what the thru hikers came up with, and it's just a nice heavy calorie laden meal. So we're going to make our own Ramen Bomb tonight. I'll get a little Spam. Let that heat up in there. The beauty of the Ramen Bomb is that it's just, people would just throw kind of whatever they had in there. Go ahead and put in our flavor packet. This is the chicken. Oh yeah, that is looking good. Now what we want to do is turn off the stove. Pour in our mashed potatoes. I'm using the loaded baked potato. I'll just kind of let that absorb water and stir it up. Oh yeah. I turned off the water, turned off the stove, and the stove is still boiling. Okay, we'll let that just kind of soak up for a few minutes. Alright, time for a little Ramen Bomb. Oh yeah. Oh my God, that's good. I can see where you were putting in some serious miles. You could eat this whole thing and you would just be set. A little Spam. Yeah, that is good. That is good. You could do so much with this. You could, I mean, just the different flavors of each of those combinations, and it's all super cheap. Easy to carry. You know, just a great meal. Ramen Bomb.